Namaste viewers, welcome to Gnanadevula channel. In this video, in this episode, we'll try to understand the very broadly, what is this universe? What are the mysteries? What is this universe and how we are, what is our role here or where we stand, something like that. We'll try to understand. But before we go to the details, I request you to please like, share and then subscribe to my channel. Please post your comments at the end after having gone through the video completely. Now, the universe, the Brahmanda, or what we call this universe, multiverse, all those things, those terms, it's a very big puzzle, very giant puzzle with almost many things we have not fully understood. We're not understood at all. Scientists keep discovering new things, but there are a lot of questions which remain unanswered. Let us see what are these, some kind of mysteries or what we have unable to understand, things like that. First is this cosmic, dark matter and what they call it as dark energy, dark matter and energy. What we are able to observe, what we have seen is roughly about 5% of the universe. That's all. What we can see all through instruments, that is telescope, all kinds of things. What we are able to observe is only very roughly 5% of this universe, that is stars, planets, etc. The rest of 95%, which we have not seen, we can call it as invisible. Scientists, they call this as a dark matter. So this dark matter, it's a term, phrase that is used, that's all. 95% of the things which we have not seen, they seem to hold all these galaxies, everything together. And dark energy, that is, dark energy is the one which makes the universe expand faster. That is how it is described. But we don't know what they actually are. Really, we don't know. That is what the scientists also say. The origin of the universe, there are several theories. Some speculative, you can call it them speculative or whatever you want to. One such is the Big Bang theory, says the universe began from a single point and has been expanding ever since. Expanding theory, this is. Similarly, there is a contractic theory, a lot of things. But the big question is, what caused that first explosion of this energy? Now, there is one more thing called as black holes. These black holes are regions where the attraction, where the gravity force to the central point is so strong that nothing, not even light, nothing can escape from it. It all collapses. We don't know what happens inside this black hole or how information behaves there. This is called the black hole information paradox. This is called as something, some terms they have used. Now, regarding the physical phenomena of this quantum mechanics in the world of tiny particles, strange things are happening. Particles can be in two places at once. Superposition, it is called as, or instantly affect each other even across long distances. This is called as entanglement. This is very different from our everyday experience and challenges our idea of that reality. This is one such phenomena. Then most interestingly, consciousness. How does the brain create awareness or the feeling of I-ness? Science knows that the brain is made up of cells and electricity, but how thoughts and consciousness arise is still a mystery. Thoughts, memories, all these kinds is still a memory. Of course, one scientist, Einstein, showed that space and time are linked together as space-time. But when we try to combine with quantum physics, which rules the tiny world, things don't match up. Scientists are still searching for answers. So this kind of problems are there. Then astronomical enigmas are there, like fast radio bursts. Sudden powerful flashes of energy come from faraway galaxies, lasting just very, very small milliseconds, very, very small time. We don't know what causes them. Maybe stars, black holes, or something unknown. Then one more those thing is exoplanet habitability. Planets outside our solar system, planets which are away from the solar system, our solar system, that 9 planets, things like that, they are called as exoplanets. The big question is, can some of them support life like Earth does? Whether there is life which is on Earth like that, whether there are any other planets like this. Then one more thought was cosmic microwave background. This is a faint glow left over from the early universe. Very faint glow. Scientists study its patterns, but some strange irregularities don't yet make sense. This is what the science says. So the fundamental questions are unification of forces. Nature has 4 fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, strong force, and weak force. These are the 4 types of that they have defined. We can explain 3 of them with quantum mechanics, but gravity refuses to fit in. The search for a single theory of everything still is there in the scientific this thing. Then the nature of reality. Do things happen by chance? Indeterminism. Or is everything planned? Or everything already decided? Determinism. Physics and philosophy both debate this. By chance or by karya karana, that kind of a thing. Some theories suggest our universe may not be the only one. There could be many universes, a multiverse, but we have no proof yet. Like Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda. Brahmanda is one. Brahmanda, if you consider this as universe, Akhilanda Koti, there might be multiple universes. That is said even in the philosophies also, and the scientists are also trying to find out whether it is, are there any other universes, something like that. So to put it in a nutshell, the universe is much bigger, much stranger, and more mysterious than we can imagine. Science has made great progress, but these questions remind us how little we know. Really, with better technology and deeper thinking, we hope to unlock these secrets slowly, and step by step. With this explanation on this universe and things like that, we conclude this episode. I hope this was quite interesting. Incidentally, there was a question on how big is this universe and things like that. So we thought we'll address this through this small effort. Please like, share, and then subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your valuable time in listening to this. Thank you, viewers, for please like, share, and subscribe once again.